Did you know that nearly 70 million Americans struggle with digestive issues? If you've ever felt bloated, gassy, or just uncomfortable after eating, you're not alone. But the good news is, you can take control of your gut health and feel amazing again. In this video, we'll show you how to heal your gut and prevent leaky gut syndrome for good. Leaky gut happens when your intestinal lining is damaged, allowing toxins and undigested food particles to leak into your bloodstream. This can lead to inflammation, autoimmune diseases, and a range of other health issues. Start with your diet. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Think fruits, veggies, whole grains, and lean proteins. Add fermented foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi, which are packed with probiotics that boost your gut health. Cut back on sugar and processed foods as they can harm your gut bacteria. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Water is essential for digestion and maintaining a healthy gut lining. Your lifestyle matters too. Manage stress through meditation, yoga, or simple deep breathing exercises. Stress can wreak havoc on your gut, so finding ways to relax is key. Finally, consider adding supplements like probiotics and prebiotics to your routine. Probiotics restore balance in your gut, while prebiotics feed the good bacteria. By making small changes in your diet and lifestyle, you can heal your gut, prevent leaky gut syndrome, and improve your overall well-being. Remember, a healthy gut means a healthier you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more health tips. Take care of your gut, and it'll take care of you.